Hello, hello, hello. This is Cherie for Just Nailed It. Ow, 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 ow. I got a package here from the Susie Q. What's that behind me? Get my nails back out. It's not from Madam Glam. It's just a box she used. Let me open it. Cut me some tape. Whew. Ta-da! Ta-da! Let me get the contents out. She sent me a stamping plate. Discard that on the floor behind me. A finger angel plate at that. Looky here. Oh, look at this. This is so pretty. Thank you, Susie Q. Thank you, honey bunch. Oh, hummingbird. Hummingbird. Butterflies. Yes. Yes. I see the hummingbird. Oh, that is beautiful. Thank you. Oh, let me see what is this. How to get this off. Okay. Oh, yeah, she modern. Sticky clear adhesive base. Oh, sweethearts. Thank you. Sticky white adhesive base for pink. Oh, thank you, honey bunch. She told me she was sending me this one. I can't wait. This I do not have. Wait a minute, let's back up. This is a gate. Madam Glam, a gate. This is super thick right now because it is super cold. But that is super pretty. I don't have a nail. Shoot. I got a black nail. Let me put my lamp in. This will work. Oh, and she also sent me. Let me hold off on this a second. Brown. Oh, hollow brown microfine glitter. Ooh, wee buddy. I didn't know it was. Okay, I was not expecting this. Thank you, Susie Q. Thank you. I'm greatly appreciative. You can tell this is so super thick. And you can tell because it is so cold. It is so thick. So it's not going to go on right. Because it is so thick and so cold. So don't expect it to do its thing. Because it is so cold, but it's so pretty. This is so pretty. I can't help myself but to want to see it. So pretty. I'm still sticking it in the lamp for 60. 60 in the lamp. Again, this is a gate by Madam Glam. This is so super pretty. We got 3 products from Susie Q by Sticky by She Modern. I do have a 10% off code. Nailed it 67. 10% off. Sticky clear adhesive base for pigment glitter foils. White sticky. These are all new on the calendar, on the catalog. I do not have these. That's why I'm so appreciative. Thank you, Susie Q. Thank you. Whoops. Thank you so Ooh, I cannot wait to use this plate. I need to get a hold of the size. These are, oh, look, it's got some roses. And these are lilies, I do believe. It's got some fern. Hello, fern. Where are you, fern? I love the hummingbirds. Oh, it's got a little tiny bird right there. Little tiny finches, maybe. Oh, roses. These are so pretty. That is pretty. Oh my God, is that pretty? So super pretty. Let me get my top coat. Well, I'm gonna do one coat. I'll play with it fully another day when it's room temperature. This is so stinking pretty. Even over black. I don't know if it's supposed to be a topper, but that is beautiful. Let me look at the top. Okay, yeah. So yeah. You come on Shimano's new products, I hear. This is so pretty. Thank you, Susie Q. I greatly appreciate you. Susie Q. Remember, they are cruelty-free, vegan-free, palm oil-free. Oh, good Lord, they're going to test. Let's get the box back because they're listed. And my brain escapes me right now. Vegan, cruelty, palm oil free, 21 formula free, and HEMA free. HEMA free. I'm so appreciative. This is so super stinking cool. I'm loving it. Loving it. Now I sound like a McDonald's commercial. I'm loving it. Like McDonald's too. Like their hotcakes. I can't get this up. Here it goes. Here's my... Here is the end of my video with my gift from Susie Q. Oh, Susie Q. Thank you so much, Susie. I greatly appreciate our friendship. Greatly appreciate our friendship. I greatly appreciate our package. Came a day early according to the printer. Oh, look at that one. ADD moment. Look at that. That's that one right there. It's so pretty. So super pretty. This is a great plate. I'm getting a lot of great plates in the mail lately. Kiki sent me a package with some great plates from Clear Jelly Stamper. This is a great plate from Finger Angel. They got some good plates. You gotta check out Finger Angel more. I do dig these. I don't know what kind of designs you call these, but I gotta check these out. Or check this company out. Well, this is the end of my video. Leave me a comment, some words down below on my package that I received today. This was a surprise from Susie Q. Kinda, sorta. I mean, I knew it was coming. I forgot about it. So leave me a comment down below. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. Click all on the notification bell. That way you get notified of all future videos, giveaways, and anything important that may slide across my desk. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.